And we cut across to more breaking news coming in. Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said that his discussions with Bangladesh Foreign Advisor Tauheed Hossain gave an opportunity to take stock of the relations between both countries. Soon after his arrival in Dhaka, Misri met with his Bangladeshi counterpart Mohammad Jassim Uddin, and he held one-on-one talks before the formal meeting with delegates from both sides. He said that atrocities on Hindus in Bangladesh has also been discussed. This comes amid frosty ties between Bangladesh and India after the ouster of Sheikh Hasina. This is the first high-level meet that India is holding with Bangladesh. A day-long visit for Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri in Bangladesh, where he is meeting with the top leaders of the Yunus regime. Apart from his counterpart, also meeting de facto Foreign Minister of Bangladesh, where he has now put out details of what happened as a part of these discussions, which he said gave an opportunity to take stock of the relations between both the countries. He said that soon after his arrival in Dhaka, Misri had met with Bangladeshi counterpart Mohammad Jassim Uddin, and he held one-on-one talks before the formal meeting with delegates from both sides. Let's listen in to the earlier response from Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri.
At the invitation of my Bangladesh colleague, His Excellency Mohammad Jassim Uddin, the Foreign Secretary of Bangladesh, for discussions and consultations on the entire gamut of issues in the extremely important bilateral relationship between India and Bangladesh. Since the political changes in Bangladesh in August this year, there has of course been contact between our leaderships. The Prime Minister was the first world leader to greet the Chief Advisor on his assumption of office. The two of them had a very cordial telephone conversation thereafter, and the Chief Advisor also accepted the Prime Minister's invitation to speak at the third Voice of the Global South summit that was held in August this year. Since then, the External Affairs Minister and the Foreign Affairs Advisor have also been in touch. They met each other on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York in September this year. And my visit follows those interactions and is the first Foreign Secretary level structured engagement between the two sides following those developments. Today's discussions have given both of us the opportunity to take stock of our relations, and I appreciate the opportunity today to have had a frank, candid and constructive exchange of views with all my interlocutors. I emphasized that India desires a positive, constructive and mutually beneficial relationship with Bangladesh. We have always seen in the past, and we continue to see in the future, this relationship as a people-centric and people-oriented relationship, one that has the benefit of all the people as its central motivational force. This is reflected on a daily basis in the development projects that have been executed on the ground in Bangladesh and that continue to be developed. It is also reflected in the mutually beneficial engagement we have on a whole set of issues ranging from trade, commerce, connectivity, power, water and energy, and development cooperation, consular cooperation and cultural cooperation. There is no reason why this mutually beneficial cooperation should not continue to deliver in the interests of both our peoples. And to that end, therefore, I have underlined today India's desire to work closely with the interim government of Bangladesh authorities. At the same time, we also had the opportunity to discuss certain recent developments and issues, and I conveyed our concerns, including those related to the safety and welfare of minorities. We also discussed some regrettable incidents of attacks on cultural, religious and diplomatic properties. We expect overall a constructive approach on all these issues by the Bangladesh authorities, and we look forward to moving the relationship forward in a positive, forward-looking and constructive direction.
Next, we'll play out this latest response from Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has once again condemned the attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. Listen in.
ये चिंतनीय विषय है। आज भी भारत का वैदेशिक सचिव ढाका में गए हैं। हमारा विश्वास है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का नेतृत्व में भारत जो डिप्लोमेटिक रोड है, जो कूटनैतिक रास्ता है, उस रास्ता से अच्छा पहल करेगा और हमारे हिंदू समाज को सुरक्षित करेगा।
जिस देश में मतलब शांति नोबेल बेटा जिसको मिला है,
देखिए ये सारे टिप्पणी हमारे एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स डिपार्टमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ही करते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विदेश का ऊपर टिप्पणी नहीं करते हैं। ये हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी वैदेशिक मंत्री ही करते हैं। लेकिन जो बांग्लादेश में हिंदू समाज का ऊपर जो अत्याचार हो रहा है, उत्पीड़न हो रहा है, इससे हम लोग काफ़ी आहत है और हम लोग बहुत दुखी हो। मेरा मानना है कि कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता जरूर निकालेगा, हमारे हिंदू समाज सुरक्षित होगा।